So this is Tesla. Why do I have this up? Well, we're going to start here. First, you had a massive reversal today, and you wound up closing right over that anchored VWAP. I'm not a huge anchored VWAP person, but I will say this, that when you can get over that line and you can stay over that line and it's a peak, pay attention to it. That has resulted in the largest moves in Tesla for the year. So closing above that has resulted in the largest moves of Tesla of the year. So it's possible that we're setting up like that again. Now, if you drill down into this and you can just see that you actually took out the low and then you went back over, you actually reversed, which is kind of crazy when you think about it today, because you came in today and you're not breaking down. So you kind of have this wonky bear flag right here, and then you're not breaking it. So we're seeing more of that, and I'll give you another example in a moment. But I can easily see this trading up to that 941.22 level. I think it's just a matter of time. You theoretically should be able to trade. If you break this and you start looking at these other levels like 953 right here, the top of the bear flag right here, which is about 1,000. If you start looking at that, you can easily get to this 1088 level, okay? And that's really what you want to focus on. So you can get up there. Now, if you do get up there, you're still in a downtrend, but you could still get up there. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.